Welcome back to AVVR Android application for cardboard with Unity part 2. In our previous tutorial, we have downloaded the essential files required for this project, which are cardboard SDK, Vuforia package and the Android support, which is the 32-bit version. Now, moving on, we will set up the Unity for the project. For that, start the Unity. You should always remember to use 32-bit version of Unity. Here we will create a new project. Let's name it as Android AR. Create project. Once the window opens, you will see the complete scene. This is your complete world in which we are going to make our application. So first step, we're going to import Vuforia package. So for that, what you can do is just drag and drop from here, drag it into the assets folder. So now it's going to import all the files into the Vuforia package. Next step would be to import the cardboard SDK for Unity package. Okay, we are good to go. Now what we have to do is we have to make targets on which our 3D model can be augmented. For that, we have to go to Vuforia developer portal. In here we'll have to go to develop. In develop, we'll see the target libraries, target manager. Over here, add a database, which I've already added as tutorial. So you can see, just type in the name over here. Once created, add a target, single image, choose the file, width and name. So for this, we'll choose another file known as chips. The width is basically the size of the printed target in millimeters. So it's going to be 320 and the name of the file. Once this is done, you have to download the dataset in format as Unity editor. Once this is downloaded, you have to import this package again to our Unity. So for that, again we have to drag and drop. You have to drag it and drop it in your assets folder and import. Once this is done, you can delete the main camera and the directional light if you want it, or you can just keep it. Next step is to put in the AR camera, which is the augmented reality camera by Vuforia. Over here, the first thing which we have to do is set the license key. The license key is to be generated again via Vuforia portal. So over here, go to develop. In license manager, add a license key, name your application and click next. and this confirm, and you're gonna create a license. So I've already created it, named as tutorial. So I'll use this license key itself. Here. Once this is done, now we have to import cardboard main. So what you have to do is you have to import cardboard main prefab over here. You can find cardboard main.prefab, just import it. So this is the camera for the cardboard and this is the camera for the AR. Once imported, you make sure that they are in the right coordinate. This is very important for the scene to be visible. So what you have to do is click on AR camera. Okay, click on cardboard. Okay. In AR camera, we have to make some settings that we will be seeing in next tutorial. But till then, you have to again import one more library, that is target. So we are tracking the image target, so we'll import the image target. So these three things have to be there in our project: image target, cardboard main, AR camera. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.